This is Justin Flugum from Additive Guru, and today we're going to be talking about the Ender 3 and some little minor issues that might have when first setting up your install. The Z-axis linear screw sometimes can be tilted, and it can have problems where it will bind down here. Two solutions are to either loosen these screws right here on the top, and that'll allow this to move in and out when it comes down, or add two washers right behind these two black countersunk screws to shift this motor forward, that way allowing for the center of the lead screw to be lined up. And that's pretty much the quick fix.
And you're not referring to the silver screws on that I'm seeing on top, correct?
Just correct. It's nothing to do with these, all to do with the black screw. And it pulls it forward.
So what type of issue might someone see this resulting from? Or having to make it
having the bed not level easy enough, or having crashes into your bed, or hearing the motor grinding while it's going homing to Z. Sometimes it'll just bind up and you won't be able to even get down to home.
Gotcha. Will you also see like a repeatability issue?
Correct. I said repeatability of getting your level manually happening and then being able to do it again the second time you print, causing it not to do it, or either go too low or too high, crashing into the bed, or not even printing right on the bed, because the motor thinks it's at a certain point when it's not even there because of the lockup of the linear screw not moving down to where it should be.
And so what you're essentially doing is you're creating either a looser point at that point,
yep,
or you're bringing this out just a little bit to get it more lined up. All right, makes sense. Thanks, Justin. We'll see you.